Hello, my name is Freeman Wang from Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. Today we are in my list on my listing 11260 Terra Vista in city of Rancho Cucamonga. Today I'm gonna share how we're gonna make multiple offers in the first 2 days, and then we put in the escrow with very strong buyers. So let's see the properties. There's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, and the smallest models in the community. Before we put on the market, and we check all competitors, they don't. Most of them are pretty messy and doesn't do any stagings. So that's why we're helping the seller, okay, and then do some partial staging since there's no furniture originally. That's why we make it very clean and make the property very homey. So that's why we can attract more buyers in the open house. And then we open escrow in 2 days. So pretty much that's it. So basically, who you should hire for being your realtor, which is whoever have a buyers. So we have 50,000 cash buyers in our database. So basically, when seller hiring us, it's not mean that we just put the for sale sign, and actually the seller hire us way before they hire me. So basically, when we take the listing, we're using our exclusive market strategies to make the most exposures to the property. So that's why when we make the property being nicer, then can attract more buyers. And then when do only 1 hour tour of a home, and then to attract the most buyer at the same time, then basically that's the more buyers basically will benefit the seller. So that's how we can create the multiple offers effect, and then put the property in escrow ASAP. And then also for the term wise, if we do have a lot of competitions, then we're gonna make the whole transaction is much easier since we got the better term. So basically that will benefit the seller to get their home sold at top dollars. For this property, and then we'll list the property on Tuesday, and then we have a tour of a home on Saturday. On the Saturday between 2 to 3 o'clock, only 1 hour, we generate almost like 50 buyers. And then we have 8 offers. We chose the highest and best, and with the best term, we open escrow. And what we're doing is we trying to help the seller to set up make the property looks better, and we offer that. Basically, you don't have to hire a staging company. Then if it's like easy deco things, our team gonna handle that and make sure it's gonna looks better on the every social medias. The property is in escrow right now, and then we're gonna close. We're looking forward to close next week. Congratulations, Mr. Seller, and netting top dollars with no hustle. Thank you.